There is no such thing as a voluntary repo, voluntary surrender, taking the car back, none of that stuff. This is exactly what you call a repossession, and it will affect your credit score by at least 100 to 150 points. But don't take it from me. My man Deshone, the auto advisor, is going to give you the real and exactly why this is the case. Let's go.
Deshone, can I take a car back after I buy it? In most cases, no. With cars, there's no right of rescission, which means the contract is binding the moment you sign and drive off with the product. So you got to be very, very careful when selecting the car. You better make sure you have shop, because once those deals are signed and sealed, there's a reason you don't hear about thousands of lawsuits around the country. Why? We know people are getting ripped off, making bad deals. Why don't we hear about these lawsuits? Because every time a person says, I want to sue a dealership, they say, hey, did you sign something? Yeah, I signed this. You got nothing. So the name of the game is being very careful with your selecting of the car, making sure you know what the warranty is before you purchase it, making sure you've shopped enough cars to know you're paying a great price before you ever sign, because once you sign, the deal is in stone.